this morning feeling kinda gray. My toast burnt and coffee stone cold. Ain't got no sugar to keep me in my sleigh. Running late and my boss is real bold. Stepped on a puddle, shoes soaked through. Taxi splashing water like it's got a point to prove. Life's a comedy of errors, nothing new. Trying to get by, but I can't find my groove. Riding the gravy train down to the blues. Got mud on my shoes and a hole in my news. Life keeps adding up, bills and clues. Riding the gravy train, gotta pay my dues. Forgot my keys, now I'm locked out the door. Neighbor's dog barking, must think I'm a bore. Missed the last bus to the grocery store. Can't catch a break, always asking for more. Struggles piling high, but I keep on fighting. Dark clouds above, but I'll find my silver lining. Turn this chaos round with some rewriting. Every setback I face gets a little less frightening. Riding the gravy train down to the blues. Got mud on my shoes and a hole in my news. Life keeps adding up, bills and clues. Riding the gravy train, gotta pay my dues. Riding the gravy train down to the blues. Got mud on my shoes and a hole in my news. Life keeps adding up, bills and clues. Riding the gravy train, gotta pay my dues.